Welcome back. We can rehearse our presentation using the AI inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. And to do that, we are going to go inside of the slideshow area. What you're then going to see is there's an area that says Rehearse with Coach, and you're going to click that area. What you're then going to see at the bottom right-hand corner is you're going to see a button that says Start Rehearsing. What this will allow you to do is to narrate your presentation as you are going to do it when you go live. And once you've completed, Microsoft will give you feedback. In addition to that, you will get real-time feedback as you are narrating in your rehearsal. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this button that says Start Rehearsing. We're going to narrate a portion of this presentation, and then we are going to get our report. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click Start Rehearsing, and we're going to do some narration. Because you have an infinite amount of time, you will want to create the kind of content that will resonate with the people that will ultimately buy from you. That means that your research has to get close to what your audience wants to know. You could do a random search of Google News or social media, but neither of those gives you an idea of the conversations that are taking place or the content that most people like. But there is a platform where you can determine what the most popular content is and who is producing it. It's called BuzzSumo. Okay, we are going to stop the process here. We're going to click Escape. And then Microsoft gives us a rehearsal report. And basically, we can determine what the AI says we are doing well and what the AI says we can do as improvement. We can use the feedback, or we can start the process and rehearse again. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.